Day 4. Day 4 was mostly, it was rainy, so we did shopping and at Home Depot, did more drywall in the bathroom. You can see how the bathroom started this morning. Last night we got the plumbing done for the shower there, which we'll sheetrock over. Lots of cool shrubbery and bushes around here. There's Molly, our fearless guide dog, and Addie, who obviously supersedes Molly. And listen carefully. We believe those are Cuban tree frogs. They sound like they're coming from all around out in the jungle behind the house. And here we are, end of the day. We got some sheetrock on over the shower wall and got some outlets and switches done. And that was pretty much our day. Shwarma for dinner.